My name's Morgan Medeiros. I'm 17, and this is my story. 3 years ago, my father died, and within 2 years, I gained 130 pounds. My back started hurting over about 5 minutes. I couldn't stand because my back hurt. I had major headaches, sleep problems. I got sick all the time. After standing for maybe 5 minutes, I'd be in such severe pain I would cry from standing. I didn't stand for a good 2-3 years after my dad died for any length of time. I even missed out on a concert for my birthday present because I was standing up there, and after about 5 minutes I had to go sit down outside the concert because I was in so much pain. Now I work at Starbucks and I stand for about 8 to 9 hours at a time, and I'm perfectly fine. Well, I tried everything for my back. I tried pain meds, didn't work. I tried patches, even those medical ones that my grandma got for her severe discs, like they were slipping or something, and she wore them, and she gave me one of those, didn't work. And I went, and I used to have a numbness in my thighs to where whenever I laid down, the outside of my thighs would burn like they were on fire and feel like needles were sticking into them. And it would hurt so bad I couldn't fall asleep. I don't feel that anymore, and it feels great. I can sleep very soundly now, and I can stand. I've actually already started losing weight. I did come down with bronchitis, and within a few days it was over from the adjustments and my new healthy way of life. I'm also a lot happier. I used to be I'm really bubbly now, even all my friends notice. I'm always smiling. I'm dancing around even at work. People are like, "You have a lot of energy," and I'm like, "Yeah," and I just dance around, and I'm just a much happier person nowadays. At one time, I was on three mood stabilizers, 2 depressants, and taking very large doses of sleep meds, and nothing worked. I am now off of all of them. I only take melatonin now to sleep, and half the time I don't even need that. He really helped me with these nutrition plans and the workouts and the adjustments. I just feel so much better. And if you have any of the problems that I used to with having to take meds and having to take pain pills and back problems, can't sleep, headaches, I mean everything, just simply going to a chiropractor fixes it. After coming here and seeing what Dr. Nick has done for me and how he helps so many people with so many different things, I was inspired, and now in about 6 months I'm now going to Life College for chiropractic.
Talk about